Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you manage the auto zoom option in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a settings symbol. Press on it and in this page you will be able to find the settings as well. Press on that. And you can see here under the navigation category the third option, which is auto zoom, and you can just deactivate it with one touch. If you press on it, you can see that now is deactivated, and if you want to activate it once again, all you have to do is just press on it once again and you can see that right now is activated. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.